So hello and welcome back to the channel, and today I want to show you how to remove the odometer speed virtual cockpit, whatever you want to call it. And this one is a virtual one, Ford KUGA 2020, 2021 and so on. So it's a little bit tricky to make it, but it's only because there is one screw that is quite bad to take. So the one is over behind here, and you need to take all of this out. So I did already removed this one in the previous video. So if you want to get to this one, you need to take out the display from Navi. There is that one plastic over here, and 2 screws are over here, 3 are on the back. If you are not familiar with this, there is a link on the end of this video how to remove all of this. So yeah, kinda backwards a little bit, but stay tuned. So you remove this cover, and here is that bad boy, the 7-bolt that you need to take out, but still it's a little bit, the plastic is still under this cover, so whatever you're gonna do, you have to remove this cover. I did already remove the steering wheel before, in a video before that, and this plastic cover, it's quite easy. Just turn around your steering wheel and plug these bad boys out, and then you are over here with 2 more of these screws that you need to take out, so you can take out this cover. So let's remove these. These are the 7s. Quite a long ones. Same are on the Focus. I believe it's same, or at least a similar one. So taking out these 2 bad boys. Try not to lose screws, or you don't wanna drop them somewhere underneath, because that rattle noise, it's gonna be really bad. So this should be easy now to move, this one as well. And of course you're gonna need some sort of plastic tool to get the cover out. So I want to start maybe from this side. Seems like easier to go. So yeah, not bad. So far so good. Nothing broke. So if you're not handy with these type of things, maybe you should leave this to someone that has a little bit more experience. But on the other hand, it's not that hard. So now we have this almost fully loose. Still need a little bit over here. I really don't want to break anything, but seems like it's a little bit stuck. So yeah, let's see. There should be something over here that it's holding it a little bit tighter. So let's try to take that out. And probably something over here as well. So at least you can learn from my mistake if I break anything. So yeah, that's one piece, and here's another one. So a little bit over here that is holding it into the place, and that's about that. Let's just pull it a little bit stronger. So let's try from like this over here. This is really a little harder than I thought thought it's gonna be. So let me show you why. So as you can see, I did break this one, but yeah, there is these pieces over here that goes inside of this. So anyways, be careful when doing this, because as you can see, it's a little bit harder. So might even be better to take all of this together out. This does move, so you need to click it down. As you can see over here, you click it down, there is this pin, one here and one is over here, so maybe better way to pull everything out. So after taking that out, we have this 7 over here, another 7 over here, and I believe that's basically that for taking this bad boy out. So let's see. These are quite long ones, to be honest. So steering wheel column should be always down, so you have extra space to take it out. Now you have just one plug to take out. And let's see what we have over here. So digital clock, let's see the numbers. Yeah, they're a little bit different. So MV4T, cluster manual diesel, so 2020, 30th October of 2020. So here you can see full how it looks in the back. I want to compare this to a Focus one, because it does seem quite similar, but yeah, let's check out if it's the same as Focus. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. It will help grow the channel, and I will continue doing more videos. If you have any suggestions what you would like to see, sure, no problem, write in the comments. If I have the car what you need, I'm glad to make a tutorial video on how to. Now let's check out if it's the same as the Focus. So this one, KUGA MV, and this one, Focus, it's NX70. From this side, from the back, quite seem like it's the same. Only difference from what I can see is this cover, this plastic cover, and this is a little bit different. But as you can see over here, you can probably swap these. I'm probably gonna try that, because you have screw over here, there is a screw over here, and then there is 3 of these, same as here. So another screw over here, and underneath is just this. Yeah, might be the same. At least you can program that. So yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you next one. So till next one, see you.